Did you see the moves on that one?
Come on, show me something. Show me something.
Oops.
The duck.
Oh my. She was wide open. How did he do that?
In a nice shot, Mr. EGD.
Hey, come on, get back on defense.
Way to go! MJ!
Feed me!
Feed you? Feed me!
Bad old cookie cutter.
I'll take that, thank you. And don't try this at home.
I wish I was in the land of where?
Going somewhere.
Well, violence is pain. Did you order original recipe or extra crispy?
Let's go.
Me? Oh boy, I'm ready. I
Mouse?
can do this.
Pick the mouse.
I love basketball. I've always loved basketball. Do you love basketball? You're big. I bet you're good at basketball. I'm small, but I'll try really, really hard to be good at basketball. Really, I will. I always try hard. My mom says try your best in everything you do.
Don't ever call me doll.
Nice shot.
Thanks, Bugs.
I got you.